How to upgrade to Narva L.E.D interior lights on a VF Holden Commodore. Always refer to the vehicle's handbook and make sure the vehicle is turned off. Using a flathead screwdriver, simply pop out the front interior light and sunglasses holder assembly. At the back of the assembly, locate the globe and twist out. Replace the old globe with the new Narva L.E.D globe and twist back into place. Replace the assembly firmly back into the roof of the vehicle and check the light is working. If it doesn't, reverse the orientation of the globe and try again. To upgrade the rear interior light, pop out the light assembly with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the old globe by twisting it out and replacing it with the new Narva L.E.D globe. Check the new globe is working and firmly press the light assembly back into the roof. If it doesn't, reverse the orientation of the globe and try again. To upgrade the interior lights in the cargo area, simply remove the light lens by popping out with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the old globe and replace with the new Narva L.E.D globe. Pop the lens firmly back into place. And check the globe is working properly. If it doesn't, reverse the orientation of the globe and try again.